Birthday list begins with Kyra Glute. She's celebrating her very first birthday. Never too early for good hygiene right there. Kyra's like, I'm gonna tease on a toothbrush. I'm good to go. Happy birthday to Kyra in Neo Show. But speaking of teething.
That's right. Not sure if that one's supposed to go in the mouth though.
Yeah,
Hazley Joe Olsen.
Perfect, that is fine.
Aw. Hazley is 1 this year, just turned yesterday in Chanute.
There's Griffin High School. He's celebrating his second birthday in Stockton. And if Griffin's got a birthday and he's number 2, well, I bet you that Case High School is also celebrating his second birthday as well. Congratulations to the high school twins in Stockton.
All right. Carly Brokaw turning 7 strong this year. Happy birthday to Carly in Girard. And as I understand that picture and the little medal she's wearing there is from winning the pedal tractor pull for her age group this past season.
Elena Robinson, a happy 8th birthday. And speaking of being out at the fair, looks like she's got her hands full right there. Elena celebrates in Oswego.
All right. And in Webb City, Nola Stalling just turned 10 years old. Hope it was a great birthday for you, Noah.
Got a couple of 16-year-olds, and we're going to start with a sweet 16 for Miss Josie Hayward. Josie, I want you to have a marvelous birthday. She is in Parsons.
All right, Jade Kids turning sweet 16 as well. Jade is in Neodesha.
Now we transition to the 18-year-old variety because that is a senior at Joplin High School right there. Paige Crumsick, counting down to that graduation day, but first we celebrate Paige's birthday. Happy birthday, Paige.
Rhonda Dawson celebrating birthday number 46 this year. Happy birthday, Rhonda, in Fort Scott.
And Jason Troike, celebrating the big 5-0. Nice. Already been out and about, man. You're set for the winner right there. Jason is in Girard.
All right, and happy birthday to Papa Mike. With love from the entire family. Mike Zwollen is 65 years old in Oswego. Nice ride there.
Lucille Jansen, happy birthday. Miss Lucille, she is celebrating her birthday in Parsons.
Sherry Schofield celebrating a birthday down in Miami. Happy birthday, Sherry.
As far as an anniversary, how about 47 for Bill and Janet Houston? Congratulations to the Houstons. They are in Girard.
And our very own Mr. Vance Lewis, the head of Promo Land here at KOAM.
Hey, who that is?
Hope you have a great day today, Vance. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Mr. Vance. Tell you what, for all of you that come out and see any events, things have been different here lately. You don't realize that that is the man behind the plan who is out busting his rear end to make those events a success for all of us. He does everything, and we just show up and smile, and he puts all the legwork into making everything happen. Happy birthday, Vance. Dennis Woodward, celebrating a 77th in Pittsburgh. Happy birthday, Dennis. Megan Cunningham, she has a birthday as well. Megan is in Pittsburgh. John and Susan Graham celebrating their 55th in Erie. All right. Happy birthday, happy anniversary to all. I'll show you what I'm working on. Tanya, you do the very important birthday announcement, and then I'll show this graphic that I just made.
Oh, okay. You can be a part of the KOAM Birthday Club. All you have to do is go to our website and sign up. And once you do, you'll get special deals from local businesses. Go to KOAMnewsnow.com and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.
We'll break this down at length here during the noon, but here's what I wanted to point out, how close we got.